Кризис в Красном море щадит потребителей, по крайней мере, на данный момент. Рост цен, вызванный нападениями на торговые суда, остается ограниченным, но время доставки увеличивается, особенно для мебели и автомобилей.
A number of large companies, particularly container lines, have made the decision now to reroute their ships away from the Red Sea and will be going instead around the south coast of South Africa, around the Cape of Good Horn, which adds about 9,000 kilometers to the journey, about between 6 and 14 days, depending on the ship type. And that in turn will lead to disruption and delays for goods coming in and potentially impact on prices as we go forward.
Трафик через Красное море составляет порядка 12% мировых морских перевозок. Через этот маршрут ежегодно проходят товары на сумму более $1 триллиона.
Houthis have this ability to really threaten it because at the southern end of the Red Sea, through the Bab el-Mandab Straits that lie between Yemen and Djibouti, it's only about 18 to 20 miles wide, a choke point.
Йеменские хуситы, которым помогает Иран, заявили о своей поддержке группировки Хамас и начали наносить удары по судам, которые, по их мнению, связаны с Израилем. Они атаковали десятки кораблей в Красном море. Оперативная группа под руководством США направила военные корабли в регион для восстановления безопасности, но остановить нападение будет нелегко.
The Houthis say that they're going to continue these attacks as long as the Israeli attacks on Gaza continue. It's tapping into that really deep anger at the massive amount of destruction, loss of civilian life in Gaza, the nature of the Israeli bombardment. The United States and its allies have some options. They can be very aggressive. They can decide to take out some of these positions, although it's very difficult in the hills of Yemen to do this targeting. The Houthis were able to send missiles into Saudi Arabia to hit Saudi targets, including vital oil infrastructure, and also into the United Arab Emirates. It has missiles that can go well over 1,000 miles. So very dangerous. It's a massive escalation, but doing nothing could also be very problematic.
Между тем, увеличение расхода топлива, вызванное более длительными рейсами судов, уже оказывает воздействие на окружающую среду.
There is one cost that is going to be certain. It is the environmental cost that we all, or our planet has to pay, actually. There will be an additional 25, 30, or even up to 35% of carbon emission, additional carbon emission. The shipping industry is responsible for the 3% of all the emissions in the world. It's a huge number, actually.